Hi, everyone. Sorry it's been so long since I've popped in to see you, but I did want to talk one more time before the end of the semester as you're finishing up your class, just to kind of know what's going on. So everything that is left is open now, so you can go ahead and finish the class whenever you have a chance. According to I don't think I have a date on it. So I'm thinking that everything will close on December 15th, which is the Sunday before exam week. If you need any extra time, just make sure you reach out to me. I'll probably start grading on that day so that I can get your final grades out by the middle of exam week. But also, I'm okay with you if you need a little bit more time. I can do that for the last chapter last week. Um, and I really appreciate all of you and probably will remember you because this is the last time that this class is going to be run. There's another class that's being taken over for it called Social Studies, Art, Music, and Movement. Um, but you will get credit for this class takes over that class. So you don't have to take that class, obviously. Um, I'm going to open up the folder for this week so we can take a look and see what it is that you need to do. It's already been open for a while, so some of you have probably taken a look at it. So the art exam will close this Sunday. Let's check it. I'm sorry, I'm terrible. I kind of haven't logged into this class for a while, so I feel like I need to figure out a couple things. Um, so, anyways, this exam, you should be finished with it, and then you will be looking in the music and movement. So, yes, um, it is, it is closed, and well, no, it's not closed. Anyways, I'll email you and let you know when that closed. But week 14 and 15 are the music and movement. That was this week, and it's going to be next week. There's some videos in there of just songs that are fun to sing with children. One thing to think about when you're maybe not comfortable with your voice is watching music and movement video and kind of learning the song or learning the melody so that you can lead it in front of children is a fun idea. It's a great way to get children moving. Think about the importance of children moving when they're in preschool classrooms. You can give them instruction and talk at them for a long time, but if you sing with them, they're more likely to listen to you. So I encourage you, if you don't have a good repertoire of songs, to listen to YouTube videos. But please, 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 please do not depend on them for all of your music in your classroom. They really need to hear you sing. And if you just turn on a video and just let them go to the video, it's a different experience if you engage them and start a song with them or get a movement thing situation going. They respond far differently. Um, so watch those videos and then do your reading. There's an article called The Role of the Teacher, the Music in Your Classroom. Just kind of talking about why music is important. There are articles about instruments in the classroom and creating an environment for music and movement, and there's a discussion board on that. An activity plan, I'd like you to, this is going to be your final assignment, is to write an activity plan that incorporates music or movement. There's a place to turn it in the folder and also a blank form. There's a movement PowerPoint, and then there's a View Active Early Learning link. So there's a link to a website called Active Early. I'd like you to look at that and then do the assignment that is attached to that. So the music and move, oh, wait. So there's an assignment under Active Early and then a music movement website assignment. Read any additional articles that might be there. Let's take a quick look at this. So I'm opening the folder. Here are some Lori Berkner. I really like Lori Berkner. I think she's fantastic. I really encourage you to watch this Chicka Chicka Boom Boom one. The guy is hilarious. It still echoes in my head. This is the role of the music in your classroom article that you'll do the discussion board on. Here is the musical instrument article, creating an environment for music and movement and rhythm sticks. There's your activity plan and your place to turn it in. This obviously needs to be changed. Again, I apologize. And here's the activity plan that you need to write. Here are the assignments. Here's the movement PowerPoint, and here's the active early assignment. And then the music and movement website sheet. So all of those are out and up. I will change the dates so that you have the right ones. and you should be set to go. I will probably open, because I've made some mistakes with dates and I didn't notice them, I'm going to open the folder through probably that Wednesday of exam week to give you a little extra time to work on that. Thank you for your patience, by the way. And I really have enjoyed having all of you in class. It's a small group, but you've been really steady and easy to work with. So I really appreciate that. And I hope to see all of you next semester, hopefully in face-to-face or online. Thanks. Happy holidays.